How's it going, y'all? Today I'm going to show you how to install a Ranch Hand Legend Grille Guard on a second generation Tacoma. In this case, it is a 2013 Toyota Tacoma Sport double cab long bed. So here's all the hardware you'll need to install. I printed off the installation guide from their website, and here's the two upper mounting brackets, couple 3/8 by 4-inch bolts, the lower mounting brackets, a couple 1/2-inch by 4-inch bolts with this 1.5-inch spacer, some carriage bolts, a 19mm socket, and a 14mm socket. And the 14mm socket does need to be a little deeper, so you could use a 3/8 deep socket or one of these longer 1/2-inch drive sockets. Remove two outside bumper nuts, 14mm, 2 on each side. And that's going to be where this part of the lower mounting bracket goes on. So from the front of the truck, if we peek under here, just above this are two 14mm nuts. This is why you need a long socket. Already pre-loosened now. Once you have the driver's side done, do the same thing on the passenger side. You can use even a stubby ratcheting wrench. You find that to be helpful. Try not to lose those nuts. You're gonna need them. Not sure if this is necessary, but I'm going to put anti-seize on the threads and a light coat of grease where the bracket meets the frame, just so it doesn't squeak. Next step on the list is to mount the bottom brackets over the bolts and reinstall the nuts. You're going to pass this bolt with a washer on the head through this hole from the back side. Go on your spacer. Slide the bracket up over the top two bolts and through. So here you can see I've got it tightened down, but not, snug. It's all loose so that I can still move it around and get the alignment how I want it. Step 4, center the mounting brackets and make sure from bracket to bracket it measures less than 35 inches. That reads less than 35 inches. Step 5 reads, through the front opening of the bumper, locate the hole in the body mount bracket. That triangular piece, that's where you're going to pass your bolt through. Okay, so now that we have all 4 brackets installed, I'm just going to tighten everything up somewhat firm so we can mount the grille guard on it. So this is the part where it'd be really nice if you had a second person to help you, but I'm basically going to hold the grille guard up, try and get these bolts on the bottom mounting brackets just to hold it in place. My girlfriend's off being beautiful somewhere, so I'm going to attempt this by myself. Mount the grille guard to the bottom brackets with 4 carriage bolts. Level the grille guard and tighten the bolts. Just gonna use a little bit more anti-seize on the old bolts. Okay, using this little level, got it pretty good. I just started with the top ones, as those are just 1-point adjustment. Now I'm gonna do the bottom. So the last thing you wanna do to finish up the installation is just get the alignment right. So use the logo to line up with your Toyota emblem to get the centering right. You can also check the distance between the headlight hoop on either side and make sure it's pretty similar. And there you have it. Ranch Hand Legend Grille Guard is installed. This one came off a 2006 and it went on a 2013, so if you're wondering if that works, it sure does. There you go. Thanks for watching.